Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to do a very quick demonstration on how to create and fold a mini book. So I'm going to guide you through as if you were live and in person in my classroom. Please pause this video at any point or rewind to give you a good understanding of how to create this mini book. So step one is to turn the paper vertically, straight up and down. You're going to take the bottom two corners and you're going to roll them up and you're going to match them up with the top two corners. Please take your time and really do a nice job lining these corners up because it will make a difference later when you fold this into a book. I'm gonna go ahead and crease it, and look at how I pick this book up and run this crease through my hands a couple of times to make it a really strong crease. I open my book up, I take the bottom two corners, and I'm gonna go into this middle crease here that I just created. So I'm literally creating a fold that tucks into the middle of my book, and I crease. So I have two nice sections at the bottom. I'm going to then turn it around to the opposite side. I'm going to take my bottom two corners and I'm going to tuck it into the middle of my book. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 really nice even sections. I then need to turn my paper horizontally. When I turn it horizontally, I'm going to take these bottom two corners and I'm going to roll them up to the top two corners, and I'm going to take this opportunity to line up my corners. Once they're lined up, I go ahead and crease my paper. Pull the crease a couple of times to get a really nice crease like this. So now you have 8 equal sections of your book. I'm going to go ahead and turn it vertically again. Now, this is the part that gets a little tricky, so you definitely want to be paying close attention, okay? I'm going to have a scissors nearby, and I'm going to have like a pen or a crayon or a marker or a pencil, something to help me mark where I'm going to cut. Now, you don't always need to mark where you're going to cut, but I think when you're first trying to learn this mini book, have some sort of writing tool nearby. I'm going to take my bottom two corners and I'm going to crease in half. Now I see 4 equal segments right here. You're going to find the center point. I'm going to go ahead and mark that with my pen. And I'm going to cut from the creased side of my book to that point. So in other words, this side, if it's vertical, when it starts out vertical, if I take the bottom two corners and I fold it in half, this is the creased side. And I'm gonna take my scissors, I'm going to cut to that center point of intersection. And look at that. I have a book that has a little mouth inside that can talk to you, okay? So this is what our book looks like. I turn it horizontally. I'm going to show you the fold now. I take the top two corners and I fold down to the bottom two corners. I take the top two corners and I lift it up. When I lift it up, my mini book is sitting on the table. I see a diamond. I put my fingers at the tips of that diamond, the corners of that diamond, the points of that diamond, and I push it, push it, push it, push it, push it all the way together. You need to make sure that you push all the way to a place where these kind of end points actually touch in the middle, like this. You see the plus sign that I'm creating? I take my left hand and I move it to the front. I take my right hand and I move it to the back. And now I lay it down. I take my time. I just want to create a really nice flat rectangle. You have 1 fold left in the center, and I'm just going to fold it in half. And there you have it. You've got a nice little mini book with a front cover. And then when you open it, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 is your back cover. Have fun with making your little mini book. Good luck.